Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by writing the quadratic as x2 plus bx plus c equals 0 and isolating coefficients a, b, c. Calculate the discriminant d equals b2 for ac immediately so you know whether complex roots are required. If d is negative, acknowledge that you'll introduce I, the imaginary unit, because square roots of negative numbers become imaginary. Once done, simplify b2 and 4ac arithmetic to reduce errors, and make sure to keep sign conventions correct before moving to the quadratic formula. You now substitute values into x equals b plus or minus sqrt d slash 2a. When d is negative, rewrite sqrt d as I times sqrt of the absolute value, so sqrt d equals I sqrt d, and place that into the numerator. Combine b and plus or minus I sqrt d over the common denominator 2a, and then simplify by dividing any common factor from numerator and denominator. Make sure to keep I separate from real terms, and check arithmetic. You finish by expressing the roots in standard a plus by form. b slash 2a plus or minus sqrt d slash 2a I, which gives clear real and imaginary parts. Once done, plug one root back into the original equation to confirm it satisfies x2 plus bx plus c equals 0. This check catches algebra or sign mistakes. If the result does not simplify to 0, make sure to reevaluate signs, factor cancellations, and whether you use the absolute value for d correctly before concluding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.